Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be making the easiest creamy pesto chicken pasta. The first step is to get a pot of water with some salt, and you're going to boil your pasta. That's the first step. It's going to be very easy after that. I like to use chicken thighs when I'm making pasta recipes because I think chicken thighs have a lot more flavor than chicken breast. But if that's what you have, you can use that. And I like to cut it into kind of these large-ish, square-ish strips. And you're going to want to season your chicken with garlic powder, onion powder, and paprika, and salt and pepper. And you just do a bunch of little shakes until you feel like it's the right amount. Around here, I've been putting about like half a teaspoon to a full teaspoon of the different spices. Then you're going to want to get a pan and you want to sprinkle some oil on it. I love stainless steel pans. And then you're going to want to put a seasoning mix of your choice. I have this green seasoning mix that I've used in other videos, and that's what I like to cook my chicken in. And you want to brown your chicken. The key to browning your chicken is to kind of cook it on a high heat, but once you put your chicken in the pan, do not move it. Question: if anybody has any pro tips on how to not make your oil splatter all over the place, please let me know, because I think my roommates are getting tired of me. So you want to cook your chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes on both sides, because you want it to be cooked pretty much all the way through. And you want to cook that to an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. You can cook it a little less because we are going to add it to the dish afterwards. The next step is to take your chicken off the stove and to put it in a bowl and set it to the side. Now you're going to have all this stuff on the bottom of your pan, and that's the stuff that's going to make the pasta delicious. So I added a splash of water and I added my pesto sauce. And this is just regular pesto, but I added about 2 tablespoons of pesto and about a 1/4 cup of heavy cream. And I mixed it and I made sure it was really well incorporated, and then I added my pasta. It had been waiting, and I love using bow tie because the pesto sauce gets into the crevices and the nooks and crannies. And then I sprinkled some Parmesan cheese on top of the pasta and added my chicken. And then I mixed it all up, and I'm telling you, that is the recipe. It's one of the things that you can make at the end of a long day, and it literally doesn't take any time. Just the time to make your pasta and cook your chicken, you can be done at the same time. And it is one of the tastiest things that I've ever made. And it's interesting because it was so dark while I was filming it that I didn't film a reaction. And also I ate this right away. I ate the whole pan, just me, myself. I didn't share with anyone. RIP to my roommates. And so that's the recipe, and I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that there's no end card this week, but those will be coming back because I'm making a schedule so I can film a little bit earlier in the day. But I hope you have a great holiday season so far, and I hope you've been having a good December, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.